Okay, guys. He's the detective. Y'all don't shoot me, please, because I'd rather not get shot again. Everyone ready? Ready, set, go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Can I join your clan? Guys. 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 Can I join your clan? Can I? Oh God. You know what? Big brain. I know I'm not the terrorist, but I don't care. You wouldn't let me join your clan!
Hey, I'm hit!
Lay down.
Lay down, okay.
Because you didn't let me join your clan! You didn't let me join in! I know, Aiden's not hit!
Bro, there's a welt on my back, I can feel it.
Nice.
Are you the killer?
No. You guys didn't let me join in, so I decided to kill you guys. You're dead. You both hit? Are you both hit? What? Are you both hit? Okay, I'll team with you guys. Okay, my gun's unsafe. I was trying to get your guys' attention, but you wouldn't listen, so I just had to shoot you guys. Also, there's someone over there shooting. Joe keeps wanting to shoot even though he's dead, but oh, my gun just got stuck. There's someone squatting over there. I think it's Cameron. Okay, so which one of you two is the terrorist? I said, which one of you two is the terrorist? Wish it was that easy. Woo! Why are you shooting? Why is you shooting? Why is you shooting? Who's sus? All of us are sus. I was just taking them out. Only reason I'm not shooting you is because you're the detective. Where's Grayson? Okay. You want to just part ways and pretend we never saw each other? Or do you want to just want to get shot?
I'm gonna run behind you, okay? Where that vehicle?
He's right there.
Wait, where's that?
He's right there. Is that Grayson over there? I can't. Oh yeah, that's Grayson. Either that or it's Jamie. I can't tell. It's too far.
Oh my God! He's freaking on me.
Hey, can I come over to your side? Because I trust you more. Can I come to you? I trust you more. Okay. Grayson and Jamie are over there. Whew. Gunshots don't count.
I bounced off your toe.
It bounced off this. Were you the terrorist?
Yeah?
Okay, game's over.
I swear to heck it hit you.
That's why it made a metallic clang, because it hit my metal bolt. Game's over! Thanks for reminding me about my camera.
Yeah.
Okay. Detective. Or no. Yeah, no, yeah. You're safe.
And
You're a detective. I'm safe. Ryan's gonna shoot me for no reason. I'm just kidding. No, why are you shooting?
Because, bro, they're traitors.
Do you still having salty memories from last round, bro?
This way?
That's not. You're not gonna hit him from here.
It's on fully automatic.
Yeah, you should probably turn it off. That.
They're really wrong.
Normally I'd say let's get up in there, but it's a TTT game, so I just kind of want to wander, honestly. I'll just use my gun as a staff. You having fun over there? Okay. I say we just chill over here until someone starts dying. Can I? Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, they're start shooting at us. They're gonna start shooting.
Okay. Oh.
We're starting a fire, I think. Are they?
I just had a BB hit the wood right in between my legs right there, and I was like, that was Aiden, I think. I just hear like a slight. Oh,
Will this hit?
I just no, probably not, dude. It's just like I just hear this little like
I heard
this very slight like, and then all of a sudden I just see this BB right in between my legs, and I'm like, oh.
Oh, we're getting shot at. We're getting shot at.
From where?
They're over there by on the gut. Oh, grass.
Okay, well I guess we're taking out Aiden since he shot it.
Oh, you're getting over there? Yeah, hold your. Oh crap! I'm getting.
It's hollow. It literally is hollow down to here.
You want me to hold it?
It's literally hollow down to here. Where? What? Oh my gosh.
Oh, is that not the one that? Is that close?
No, that's all the way over there. I'll show you that one.
Let's go over there.
Never mind.
Ride the fence, boys.
Yeah, let's go all the way down here.
I wonder how many pieces are like in this field.
Way too many. And I don't think any of them are biodegradable. There might be a few because Sawyer used to.
I just shot.
Yeah, I know, I can hear
I feel like it's Ryan. Like,
It's Ryan. I don't know, man. Aiden shot at us.
it's
He
not
missed terrifically.
I don't see Aiden.
What? I can't hear you. Let's just keep it to us three. I don't trust you. I'm honest.
Definitely Ryan. He's gonna like come over here and bang us.
I think it's this one that he climbed in. Yeah, he got it there. He got it there.
We get shot at?
Aiden's shooting.
I told you Aiden's gonna start shooting.
Oh, I see him.
Where?
I'm gonna shoot him.
These glasses are so dark.
Oh my god, that one. Oh my gosh. That went right past my head.
Really?
Yes.
I need to get right there. Grab the pinch him. I got right, you got left. Hey, pinch him. Zeke,
I'm pretty
Zeke,
sure I just hit his mask.
Over here, run.
We would be great detectives in real life. Hit! Ah!
You want me to use your gun?
Avenge me! Yeah, if you wanna.
Here, right here. Thank you.
Yep. Well, I'm dead.